Lidar technology plays a pivotal role in enhancing object detection and tracking for autonomous driving systems. Like all other sensors, Lidar can be directly connected to the logic recorder, excluding costly conversion boxes. Providing support for data logging and PTP, JPTP synchronization with various off-the-shelf Lidar sensors, users can seamlessly integrate these sensors into their testing setups with the logic recorder platform. In the world of data logging, ensuring sensors function as expected is paramount. To address this, Xylon offers support for Lidar data checks and point cloud visualization. These features enable users to configure the logic recorder to conduct incoming Lidar data checks and promptly report any sensor issues. Depending on the Lidar make and model, some of the following will be checked: UDP sequence, timestamp, temperature warning flag, and others. By providing high-resolution point cloud data necessary for self-driving vehicles to navigate the road safely and efficiently, Lidar sensors play a critical role in enabling autonomous driving. Within the dashboard application, users can access real-time Lidar data visualization during data logging. The point cloud view is fully adjustable, allowing users to pan, tilt, and zoom in and out as needed. Xylon carefully listens to the needs of its users and is continuously adding new features to streamline the testing processes. Thank you for watching.